Stephen Laberge is the first Westerner to scientifically prove that lucid dreaming is real. Laberge used a variety of techniques to demonstrate that lucid dreaming was a genuine state of consciousness. One such technique involved asking participants to move their eyes in a predetermined pattern once that they were aware that they were dreaming. This allowed Stephen Laberge to identify the exact moment when a participant became lucid. Stephen Laberge also measured the shifts in eye movement and brain activity during the REM cycle, which is when most dreams occur. Through his research, Laberge was able to provide empirical evidence that lucid dreaming was a real phenomenon that could be scientifically measured and verified. He also demonstrated that lucid dreaming could be induced by a specific technique that he called the mnemonic induction of lucid dreams technique. So if you would like to experience lucid dreams for yourself, there's a lot of information on this YouTube page, and there are plenty of other researchers, advocates, and teachers of this profound science.